Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before I start, I would really request that you subscribe to my channel and support me. Today's look is a soft brown smoky eye, which is very easy. After your skin routine in the morning, before your makeup, definitely use a primer or a serum of your choice. I do spot concealing wherever required because I don't want a layer on my face and I will be using a powder foundation. This kind of a look is perfect for summer. I literally capture my daily makeup. I just put the camera on and I do my makeup. Somehow that is worked out with people, and this is a lifestyle channel, so I share my makeup, my mom's dance school, food, travel, everything. Anyway, let's get back to the makeup. Just blend in your concealer well. You'll see I repeat a lot of products that suit me. Doesn't mean you have to use the same products, but once you find your product, carry on using it till the time you find something new. Anyway, I'm getting in with my Studio Fix, which is my powder foundation. Always use a lip balm before your makeup. Set your eyebrows with a gel so that they stay in place. Now take any brown eyeshadow and a flat eyeshadow brush and apply it on your upper eyelid. Take it up to your crease line, and if you have hooded eyes, just go a little further up. Then take a lighter brown or a transition shade of your choice and a soft brush and soften out the crease line so that there is no harsh lines visible. Also, please take your time to blend this part because that is what will give you the look you want, which is a soft brown smoky eye. Do check out my other videos. I promise that for beginners or the ones who are scared of makeup will not be scared anymore. That is the way I want it to be, and my makeup is that easy. If you're watching on YouTube and you're watching my lifestyle channel, then the playlist that you need to see for these videos is called Makeup and Glam. And if you're watching on Facebook, then it's called Makeover Madness. It's about what suits you. Anyway, back to the makeup. Just take your dark brown eyeshadow and make the upper lid darker. Now take a thin angle brush and the same dark brown eyeshadow and line the lower outer lash line. You can blend it in with your finger as well. That's the best part about eyeshadows. Complete your eye makeup with a good mascara. Choose mascaras that say volume, length, curling. These are very effective. I always prime my lips with a nude lip liner, which is why the lip balm is important. This gives you an even surface to work on, and it also keeps your lipstick longer. Then take a darker lip liner and contour your lips. I'm doing that because I'll be using a nude shade. So lining and contouring your lips is an important step. Because this is light daily summer makeup, especially for the daytime, I will avoid contouring. Just use a blush of your choice so that your face doesn't look flat. I stick to cream blushes because my skin is dry. You can go for any kind of a blush, including a powder one. Touch up your powder foundation. This is something that you can also carry with you and it won't get patchy. Use a setting spray and you're good to go.